Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Aboli and I make science based skincare and hair care videos. If you are interested in that space, then consider subscribing to my channel. So, I finally started exercising again, and I thought that this is a great opportunity to share my workout routine with you guys. So, let's go. Hello guys, so I am in my gym clothes ready to start torturing myself. So today I'm going to do high intensity interval training and I'm absolutely dreading it, but I have to start exercising. So I'm just going to share with you my pre-workout routine. So there's nothing special that I do, but this is something that I do is I always wash my face before I start exercising. Then I just apply a very simple gel on my face. It's usually aloe vera or the Sebamed Care Gel. This is like my second purchase. I'm in love with the Sebamed Care Gel. And I always put on a lip balm. Currently I'm using the lip butter from Earth Rhythm. It's a new purchase, but I'm liking it. And I have a scrunchie, always use a scrunchie, and I like to tie like a high pony, so I don't want a lot of excessive pressure on my hair, so which is why I use scrunchies. This is from Mesmerize. It also has the zipper, so you can wear this when you go out on a jog or something to just hide money and keys in this. So I really like that. And also keep a water bottle with you. Always do not start your exercise without water by your side, okay? So many of you guys have asked me if you should wear sunscreen if you work outside, or even if you work inside in the morning. Now that I would say, if you go outside for a jog or something, then I would definitely recommend putting on a sunscreen, wait for 10-15 minutes and then go out for a jog. If you're indoors, and I would recommend just putting on the curtains if you can and exercise, because it gets really sweaty, and imagine all those greasy sunscreens and then sweat mixed with it. It's not going to be a pleasant experience. So what I would recommend is reducing the sun exposure. I absolutely hate putting on sunscreen before I start working out. I just can't do it. So I usually exercise in the evenings, or if I do it in the mornings, which is a rare occurrence, but if I do, then I just close off the blinds. Let's talk about during workout routine. Yeah, this is me after 2 sets. I am definitely out of form. What I do is I use a microfiber cloth to just dab on my face and not rub, so that it absorbs all the sweat, and ready for the next step. Now for my post workout routine, I remove my scrunchie very gently. Then I use a microfiber cloth to get all the grease out of my hair, because I have extremely oily scalp. So if I don't do this step, I'll have to wash my hair every second day. So I just take my microfiber cloth and rub it on my scalp. So I'm going to go and take a shower quickly, because I am prone to body acne also. I have seen that whenever I start exercising and it's very regular, I start getting body acne, especially on my back, or my bra line, my waistline. And what I do to avoid body acne or treat body acne is I use Perobar on my body. Now Perobar is a benzoyl peroxide soap. It's extremely affordable and you can get it in your nearby chemist. What I do with it is that I just apply it on my body and keep it like this for 2 to 3 minutes, and then just rinse it off, and it actually helps with your body acne. Hello, let's talk about menstrual care and exercising. This part of the video is in association with Carmesi. Unpopular opinion, but I do not like menstrual cups. I'm a person who wears sanitary pads, but we all know when it comes to drugstore sanitary pads, there are a lot of problems like chafing, rashes, and also that they are not eco-friendly, and we are causing a lot of plastic pollution when it comes to these sanitary pads, which is why last year I made this shift from using drugstore brands to eco-friendly sanitary pads, and I've started using the Carmesi sanitary pads. Now I wanted to use this for at least 2-3 cycles before I could make this video. The best part about the Carmesi one is that it's incredibly soft. If you guys see, it's almost like tissue, so it does not cause any friction between your thighs, so that actually eliminates the chafing part of it. So the sheet, that the sanitary pad is made up of corn fiber. That is how it is biodegradable in nature. As you can see, the wings are also different than the drugstore brands, so they actually cup your whole underwear, so there isn't a lot of leaking underneath. And you also need thin pads, right? When you're exercising, you don't want to see the bulge, because when you wear the athletic clothes, sometimes the bulge is just unbearable to look at. So the Carmesi one is very thin. So when it comes to menstruation, you can start exercising. I do not exercise on the first day because I am very tired and it's a very painful process, as I have dysmenorrhea. So I usually start low intensity exercises from the day 2, so I really need something which wouldn't cause any physical friction on the outside. These pads help because, as I've said, they're tissue like, so they're very soft. Also, they come in different sizes, so you can interchange according to the day and your flow. What I do when I'm menstruating is that I change the pad before I start exercising, because I want to start with a fresh pad, because I'm going to sweat a lot. So you need a sanitary pad which would also absorb the sweat. Now what happens with the drugstore pad is that it does not absorb the sweat. There's like this weird plastic film like thing, so it does not absorb the sweat, and it just gives you a very weird wet feeling, and I hate it. I absolutely hate it, because then I think that there's leakage, but it's actually sweat. So these ones actually help with the absorption of sweat as well, and does not give you the wet feeling. Now you can use my code ABOLI05. It'll give you 20% discount, but this is not a commission code, so I will not be earning any money. You can use it for your own discount, and you can get a discount on all the products on Carmesi, not only the eco-conscious pads. There are a few things that I forgot to mention in the previous routines, and the first is to invest in active wear. And I know that active wear is expensive, but you don't have to invest in a lot, like 3-4 sets of active wear. What you can do is just buy 2 sets and then wear them alternate days. Now what active wear does is that the material is such that it does not allow sweat to remain trapped between your clothes and the skin. Now when the sweat is not trapped inside, it reduces the risk of fungal infections, bacterial infections. Let's look at some products that I use for my hair. This is from Earth Rhythm. This is the Murumuru Butter Shampoo Bar, and it removes all the grease, and I'm quite happy with it. I also suffer from dandruff, so I have a dandruff routine in place. I use a Scalp Pro shampoo. If you want to know more about this, I have a video on that. You can go check it out. And as for the conditioner, I use a solid conditioner bar from Earth Rhythm. It has argan oil and Jamaican black castor oil. All these products from Earth Rhythm, I'm going to review them in a different video. I also use just water to clean my intimate areas even when I am menstruating. To wash my face, I either use a very simple face wash, in this case a simple face wash, or I just use water, as sweat comes off with water also. Then for my skincare routine, I keep it very simple. Currently I'm using the Keep Cool Soothe Serum, and it has centella, so it really soothes my skin after a hard workout. You can see it's really watery. If you have dry skin, just use a moisturizer instead. So that's it guys, this was my workout routine when I'm menstruating, my skincare, hair care, body care, everything included. And I hope that this encourages you to get off your butt and work out. Yep. And if you're already working out, good. Also, if you guys want a few workout videos, please tell me in the comment section. Like, I am a physiotherapist, this is my field, like my professional field. So tell me if you guys want workout videos. And apart from that, yep, everything's pretty much done. That's it. Until next time. Bye.